Running meta catalog ads but selling aren't growing. Seeing even missing error in Commerce Manager. Your catalog match rate is low and it's killing your ROAs. Your catalog is active, your feed is updating, but critical conversion events are missing. View content not firing, add to cart not triggering, purchase not receiving. When these events aren't tracked, Meta algorithms has no idea which products people are interested in, so your catalog are unperformed and your sales drop. This happens for 7 or 6 main reasons. Pixel is installed but conversion API is missing. Pixel is installed but conversion API is missing. Plugins are installed but even aren't firing correctly. No deduplicate between Pixel and Conversion API. Pixel only fire on homepage, not product page. Item ID in your feed doesn't match your website item ID. Dynamic parameters are wrong or missing. You don't send product type. If any of these are broken, your meta rates stay low and your catalog ads never reach full potential. Are you want to fix a complete first-party tracking setup with Google Tag Manager? Yes, your listener right. Google Tag Manager, Meta Pixel, and server-side conversion API. Here's what you will do for your business when you use Google Tag Manager. Fire complete events, view content, add to cart, purchase on the right page every time. Active and conflict conversions API for server-side tracking. Match item ID between your Pixel events and catalog feed. Fix deduplicate so browser and server events work together perfectly. Test and validate everything in Meta Event Manager and Pixel Helper, or you can use to check Google Tag Manager debugging mode. Once fixed, your meta rate will jump to 90 to 100%. Meta's algorithm fully understand your customer. Advanced catalog ads reach the right buyer. Retargeting becomes powerful again. 2x ROAS will accurate optimization. More accurate tracking, more conversion, more profit. I've fixed tracking and catalog setups for dozens of businesses, turning broken events into fully optimized campaigns that scale. If your catalog match rate is below 90% or even are missing, let's fix it now. Before you waste money and spend, message me on my WhatsApp. I will guide you how to solve this and I will fix this problem. Clean data, higher match rate, algorithm advanced, more sale. Boost your catalog ads performance, fix your tracking today. So, see you soon.